Good morning. I'm sitting here huddled in my little bathroom, looking at the walls because I've got a project in mind that I've been really excited about all week, and then this morning woke up a little bit intimidated. I've been dragging my feet. I'm still in my pajamas. I haven't brushed my teeth, but I gotta get it done. I've just gotta try it. I've just gotta try. You know, I'm like a little inexperienced, and I'm sure a helping set of hands would be great, but it's not the name of the game today, so I'm gonna try and do this alone, which, I mean, how hard could it be? Really, how hard? But let me show you what is going on. So I'm sitting in the bathroom and I'm looking at the shower. And what I want to do is turn this shower that's not used, because I use an outdoor shower here on the land, which is gorgeous and glorious, but I want to turn this unused shower into a closet. And RV walls are so cardboardy, you know, it's like you can't really put a crossbar on that. So a friend and we were discussing building a frame. So I'm going to build a frame in the inside of the walls and then attach a crossbar to that, and then have a top shelf as well. So there's like some trash, recycling, towels, but hopefully this will just be a nice, awesome closet to go into my bathroom. Hi. So I went to Home Depot this week and had some wood cut. A friend wrote out some plans for me after I measured the walls, and you know, like, my measurements were a little off, but as I always say, good enough, and I think it will be good enough, and we'll see what happens. So now I'm going to drill some holes in some, I guess like the word would be braces or brackets. I'm not sure, but I'm doing it inside my house because it's so loud, and it's Saturday morning, and just my drill is loud and the bit isn't that great. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah. So the frame is in place. Ta-da. It's not braced, so it's precarious. Which, you know, whatever. Anyways, so I'm going to put a crossbar in the back, though, for bracing it and to push it against the walls. Closet rod here. I'm going to get the drill and drill up there to hold these boards in place. And almost done. Thank God. My drill. I bought it from a friend like 6 years ago. Hold on. Okay, bye. Hi. So bought it from a friend who was moving like 6 years ago, and okay. Let's see here. Missed it. Thought that was too easy. is up, and stoked and relieved. And it was not as hard as I thought, and I didn't have to pre-drill the screw holes like I thought I was going to, and my drill was janky, so I'm glad I didn't have to do that. So next I'm just going to measure the crossbar length and then the brace length so that it can push the structure against the walls, and I guess I'll go to Home Depot and chase down someone that can operate their saw. So I finally finished the closet project. I am so relieved that that is off the checklist. It's been a little bit of time, excuse me as I wedge myself through my house, but I learned a few things in this past week, like how to hold the camera in different angles. And I also learned that it is possible to cut a closet rod, which is a seemingly pretty thick piece of wood, with a handsaw. And it wasn't pretty. I didn't film it. I would not recommend it to anyone. I would say get a real saw. So I'm gonna just walk into my bathroom and have the big reveal. So here we have it. Here's the closet rod that was cut by a handsaw, and it's fine. There's some braces or brackets. I still don't know. Here is the structure, and it's not painted because I just don't feel like it needs to be painted. I think it's fine, and I like the natural wood. Here's a shoe rack that I had previously in my life, and I have now repurposed it as a shoe rack. And yeah, there's just like plastic hangers and they're mismatched, but it's what I had, so I'm just going to reuse it. This is a shoe rack that is now a towel rack, and I think everything I need to have stored in the bathroom is now stored. So I am stoked. I have so much space, and a closet.